Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to auto-post products from AliExpress to WordPress. Under WordPress Automatic Plugin, click Add New Campaign. Select the source type as AliExpress. Write your desired keywords. Hit the Publish button. Now the campaign is published and is ready for processing. Click Run Now. New post got added successfully. The plugin created a gallery. The affiliate link got added automatically. Now let's generate a description using AI. Write your desired prompt for generating the description. Hit the Update button. Click Run Now. A new product was added successfully. The plugin created a description using AI. You can set a specific currency. You can set a specific language for the description. You can set a country, minimum, and maximum price. You can set a search order for products. The plugin supports WooCommerce, so you can add products as WooCommerce products. Set the post type to product. Hit the Update button. Click Run Now. A new product got added successfully. The gallery was set automatically. The affiliate link was set automatically. Product description was generated. You can run the campaign as many times as you like. You can set an update interval to post a new post starting from 1 minute. Thank you for watching. Plugin link is in the description.